Karishma, smash. Shandesh, smash. Janesh, smash. Smash. Smash or Pash, the combo edition. Let's go. Let's go. So, what do we have? Obama Talai. Okay. Shandesh. Oh, dog, what kind of question is this, though? Shandesh. Eh, Baba. Magaze la. Smash. No disrespect to her partner, no disrespect to Mimi. Kodwa, sikhuluma ngoShandi mama lapho we. uShandi mama lo sikhuluma ngayo. Noma uza ace lender or uza ace. Yeah, stood. I'm smash boy. Angeke ngimiyeke. Shandesh. Eh baba, yazi ukuthi mawusmash uThandesh maqede nje nogibele lichopper. So namela lichopper masicede. So yeah, Shandesh, smash. Who's next? Oh, Janesh. Okay, bro. You see, man, one thing about me, I don't discriminate, dog. I don't discriminate. I'm Shandesh, Janesh, and I'm sure, ula. So, Janesh, smash. I'm glad, boy. Get smash up. Boy. Shandesh, smash. Janesh, smash. Yang is, it's smash. Ubani omunye. Oh. Karishma. Hey. Karishma. Itlamo. Smash. Aslali basiya, smash. Karishma, smash. Shandesh, smash. Janesh, smash. Okay. Who's next? Okay, let's see. Makhadzi kodwa akusili combo artist nje kodwa uyenza umculo likompo. So Makhadzi. You wanna know ukuthi Makhadzi ngiyamsmash or ngiyampass? Hey baba, I think you already know the answer. I'm smashing. Makhadzi, I'm smashing. Smash. Smash. Isikhathi sokuphesa sinaso dog. Uphaselane. Siyasmasha kuphela. Uphaselane. Akuphasiwe lana boy. Akuphasiwe lana. So yeah, ubani omunye. Let's see. Ubani omunye. No, I don't know a lot of female combo artists, so I'm not to about no more. I don't know.
You've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Bila, I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel, so please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandi, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye bye, ngiyakuthanda.